Hey kids! Have you ever heard about the story of the fox and the grapes? It's a fun one, so let's dive right in. Once upon a time, there was a very hungry fox. He searched high and low for something to eat, but nothing seemed to be around. Just when he thought he might have to go to bed with an empty tummy, he saw something amazing. Right there, beyond a farmer's wall, were the biggest, juiciest, purplest grapes he had ever seen. Yum, thought the fox. Those grapes will be perfect. So the fox got ready and jumped as high as he could to reach the grapes. But guess what? He missed. The grapes were just too high, but the fox didn't give up yet. He tried again and again, jumping, stretching, and even using a little run-up. But no matter how hard he tried, he couldn't get those grapes. Finally, feeling tired and very frustrated, the fox sat down and stared at those grapes. He thought to himself, maybe those grapes aren't ripe yet. Yeah, they must be sour. And with that thought, he turned around and walked home empty-handed, convincing himself that he didn't want those sour grapes anyway. So what's the lesson here, kids? Sometimes when we can't get what we want, we tell ourselves it wasn't good to begin with. But it's important to try our best and not give up too quickly. Maybe next time the fox will find a way to reach those delicious grapes. All right, that's it for today's story. Remember, always try your best and never give up. See you next time.